Welcome to my channel. How to install, configure, and reset WAVLINK AX1800 outdoor extender. Step 1. Unbox and check the package. Remove the WAVLINK AX1800 extender, antennas, PO adapter, Ethernet cable, and power adapter from the box. Attach the antennas securely. Step 2. Connect the hardware. Connect the extender to the PO injector using the Ethernet cable. Then connect the PO injector to a power outlet and turn on the device. Step 3. Wait for the power LED. Allow the extender to boot completely. Wait until the LED indicators become stable before starting setup. Step 4. Connect to the WAVLINK Wi-Fi network. On your phone or laptop, connect to the default wireless network named WAVLINK AX1800. Step 5. Open the setup page, launch a web browser and enter 192.168.10.1 or WAVLINK in the address bar. Step 6. Log into the extender, use the default password admin, or admin/admin on some firmware versions, and sign in. Step 7. Select repeater mode, choose repeater mode if you want to extend your existing Wi-Fi signal. Select your home Wi-Fi network from the list. Step 8. Enter your Wi-Fi password, type your router's Wi-Fi password and save the settings. Wait a few minutes while the extender connects and reboots. Step 9. Move the extender to its final location. After successful setup, place the extender midway between your router and the area with weak Wi-Fi coverage. Step 10. Reset if needed. If the extender is not working correctly, press and hold the reset button for 8 to 10 seconds until the LEDs flash. Wait for the device to reboot, then set it up again from the beginning. Thanks for watching.